Neem Karoli Baba, a life of devotion and miracles. Neem Karoli Baba, also known as Neem Karoli Baba or simply Maharaj Ji, was a revered Hindu guru who gained widespread recognition, particularly in the West, during the 1960s and 1970s. His life is shrouded in mystery, with many stories and anecdotes surrounding his origins and miraculous deeds. Early life and spiritual journey. Humble beginnings, born around 1900 in Barpur, Uttar Pradesh, India, Neem Karoli Baba lived a simple life. He was known to his family as Lakshmi Narayan Sharma. Spiritual awakening. At a young age, he experienced a spiritual awakening and left his home to lead a life of devotion. He traveled extensively throughout India, adopting the ascetic lifestyle of a sadhu. Neem Karoli Ashram. Kanchi Dham. Neem Karoli Baba established his primary ashram, Kanchi Dham, near Nainital, Uttarakhand. This peaceful retreat became a center for spiritual practice and pilgrimage for devotees. Blessings of Hanuman. The ashram is considered to be a symbol of Hanuman's blessings, and many miraculous events are associated with it. Miracles and divine interventions. Healing and protection. Neem Karoli Baba was renowned for his ability to heal the sick and protect his devotees from harm. Numerous stories of his divine interventions have been documented. Divine presence. Many devotees reported experiencing a profound sense of peace and spiritual upliftment in his presence. Western influence. Ram Das and others. The teachings and influence of Neem Karoli Baba extended beyond India. Westerners, including the renowned spiritual teacher Ram Das, were deeply inspired by him. Global following. His teachings and stories have spread worldwide, attracting a diverse following. Legacy. Spiritual Guru. Neem Karoli Baba is regarded as a spiritual master and guru by many. His teachings emphasize devotion, service, and the path of bhakti, devotion. Enduring influence. Despite his passing in 1973, his legacy continues to provide inspiration and guidance, supporting seekers on their spiritual journeys. While much of Neem Karoli Baba's life remains shrouded in mystery, his impact on countless individuals is undeniable. His teachings and stories continue to resonate with people around the world, offering hope, inspiration, and a glimpse into the divine.